Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own S corporation in New York. So this is a step-by-step guide. Now I believe that we as a business owner should focus on generating revenue, like running the business, providing value to people, not taking care too much about accounting, administration, and how to start the company. This way that I'm going to show you is what I believe is the best way how you can start an S corporation in New York. So the first thing that you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. Then you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation in New York. And what you want to do is just simply click here, Start My Business. Then you want to change the LLC to S corporation, and state of formation you want to add New York. Then you're gonna have three packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver, you're gonna have the basics: the preparing, filling articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold package, you're gonna have covered everything from business tax number, IRS form, corporation bylaws, lifetime company alerts, business banking account. And then you're gonna have the platinum, that's like upgrade, but you're gonna have like three benefits here: business contract templates, expedited filling, domain, and business email. So with the expedited filling, your S corporation would be filled faster, but even if you're going to choose gold version, you're going to have in a gold package too the option to upgrade it for the faster filling. So here I will click here on the gold package, and I'm going to add a first name, last name, email. So Marcus Tonelius. Now I'm going to add email address, and then you're going to add a phone number. And then we're gonna add address. Okay, like this. And now we're gonna add address, city, and state. Now when I got it, I will press next here. I will add suggested the address. And now you have option to add if it's going to be 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day if you choose the gold package. This is what I was talking about. And then adding S corporation name. So I'll add Marcus Marketing, and I'm going to add designator and directors. Then I'm going to add a business purpose. So let's say marketing service for small business owners, and then industry keyword. So let's say marketing. You would add like the industry keyword right here. And then you're gonna have number of shares here, shares per value, and how many shareholders you're gonna have. After you're gonna finish that, you're gonna have option to use your own address as a company address information, or use a professional business address, which would mean that you would maintain privacy by using commercial address. You can easily choose which one you prefer. And when you're gonna have it, you're gonna go further. So you're gonna have option to upgrade to premium and have a business contract templates, a domain and business email address. And you can click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you're gonna add directors here, and then officer information, secretary, treasurer, and vice president. And you would press next. Then you're gonna have the shareholders here that you would add SSN number and number of shares. Like this, and shareholder 2. So here you're gonna add shareholders. And then representative information. So representative information means that the IRS would have a number to call you. Then press next here, and then you're gonna have registered agent information here. You can assign Incfile to cover it for you. So Incfile would have the registered agent information, and they would have registered agent for a first year completely for free, or you can act as your own registered agent. And when you will have it, press next here. Now you're gonna add tax identification number and SSN number, and then physical street address. Then you're gonna have the setting up small business banking. So you're gonna have Bank of America, account, and what you can do is simply have account with them. So you can, yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or no. And when you're going to choose it, then you're going to have the free consultation. So you can easily add like get free consultation from Incfile, and you will learn how a corporation is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So everything you will learn right here. And then you would click like, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, and then press next. Then you're going to have the business licenses. You're going to have option to identify 2 licenses for a consulting business in New York. So I would recommend like identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. That's something that I would definitely recommend for you to do and for you to have, and not solve it by yourself. Of course you can do it, but then like it's going to take you a lot of work. Now when you're going to have it, just press next here. And the next step is a review order. So you're gonna see like everything from the contact information, formation, agent, company, director, shareholders, officer, so the president, secretary, treasurer, and then business licenses, permits, and tax info. So all the important things you would get right here, and when you would have it, press next again. Then you're gonna have the billing information, and here you would add the first name, last name, street address, card number, all the important stuff here. And when you will have it, what then you need to do is just easily order, and then Incfile will send you all the important things that you need to know and need to have. So that's pretty much it how we do it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.